Number one lesson. You're probably filming with a mobile phone, and that's quite good, I believe, and you're editing with maybe a free program or a lower end program. But it doesn't matter which programs you're using to edit with, and it doesn't matter what camera you're using. The frames per second. This is a very important thing. Right at number one, frames per second on your camera and frames per second on your editing program have to be the same. Have to be the same. If you're filming in 30 frames per second and you're editing in 45 frames or some other number of frames which isn't 30, your film will start getting that jerky stuff when you move, when you pan, you get just judder sort of stuff. So you've got to go 30 frames per second on your camera and 30 on your editing program. Now it gets a bit more technical. Otherwise you start missing frames and you get that judder stuff. And your film in good quality looks great on the video footage. The film looks good, and then when you edit it and you put it out there, the quality isn't good at all. You'll pick it up and say, it doesn't look as good as it was on the camera. That's what it is, frames per second. Okay, research frames per second on your camera, phone, frames per second on your editing program. Number one lesson.